So we want to revise these questions that now open up. Such the first part. Yatakanzi solve the inequality 2y less than 3y minus 10. So from your solutions, onengo chita working yako, ukufana ku obtain this answer panapakanzi y is greater than 3. So tida kuona kuti iwewe kana uchishanda ne this situation yakadai so unoita sei. So I'm going to rewrite the equation achona says right, it's 2y, that is 2 minus y less than 3y minus 10. So it's 2 minus y less than 3y minus 10. So that tinenge takuita panapa tinongosolva sezvatinongoita maequations, right? ndo zvatinenge tiita. Saka musolvera tinongoita maequations, this is the same yatinongoita panapa. Wakuuya wotora mavalues ako womaisa one side, either mavalues y uchamaisa ku left hand side kana to right hand side, you choose zvaunenge uchida. Saka inini what I'm going to do from this case, ndichauya ndochiti panapa is 2 then ndochiti plus 10 nekuti this 10 ari kumova share onto this side which is the left hand side. Saka anosvika achita plus 10. Tasvika ipapo tobva tachiti less than 3y plus y. So this negative y ushu akauya onto this part anosvika achita positive, so anobva aita plus y. Takuchiti 2 plus 10 we are getting 12. Tochiti less than 3 plus 1 panapa tikuwana 4y. Then we have to divide both sides by 4 like this, then tochiwana 3 which is less than y. Answer yako unogona kusiya kadesho, or else kana udatanga kunyora y kwakuchingoti y it is now greater than 3, meaning kuti the moment yauchatanga kunyora y panapa sign yako yakufana kuchinja ichitarisawo futi kunani kuna y, because initially if you check panapa it was less than, trikuti 3 is less than y, meaning kuti y is the bigger part. Saka sign yachona kana wakutanga kunyora y it will be y is greater than 3 oisiya in this form. So ndo the first section yatiri kuita nezvayo, that is the first working. Toya pa the second working, let's say taisa mavalues are y to the one side, trikuti we have 2 minus y less than 3y minus 10. Saka unouya uchisa mavalues are y ku one side, let's say kuno kwakuya uchiti minus y oti minus 3y less than minus 10, positive 2 akaenda onto this side anoita negative 2. Saka negative y negative 3 you are getting negative 4y which is less than negative 12. If you divide both sides by negative 4 panapa zvafana kuti y is less than negative 12 divided by negative 4. The moment yawa divide ne negative part, that is the negative number, sign yako inobva yatochinja, it will be y greater than 3, just like this one.